Hello everybody, this will be a quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update. Just levels I'm looking at for the day. Right now, I drew a large volume area profile from the beginning of this range. We've just been kind of going sideways for a little bit, and we are getting confluence with a point of control in a 0.5 fib at around 39,400 roughly. Also, just as a secondary support, we do have a golden pocket with a naked daily point of control. So this could be a pretty good confluence of support at around 39,000 to about 38,800 roughly. This is a zone of support that I'm really looking at. Also, it is the current year point of control. So if we zoom out for quite a while, you can see I drew a volume range profile from the beginning right here, and this large kind of sideways market in a little bit, and we are getting a point of control right there. So I do expect a bounce off of that, as that is a strong support. If we do break below this value area high, I expect us to come down at least to the point of control and just kind of grab the liquidity and then come back up. Current resistances I'm looking at is these single prints. It looks like we just kind of rejected off the first single print beginning at around 40,838. There is a single print ending at around 41,038, along with confluence of a golden pocket. So this could be a nice zone of resistance to short at. This daily and naked daily point of control could be used as a guard. So put your stop loss above this, as price may come up and grab liquidity from this daily resistance level. So it's just an extra measure or extra zone to really be looking at as resistance right now. And again, we have a wick of a possible swing failure pattern at 42,950. Then if we do break above that, we do have this 44K level, as we do have a current year value area high from that large range that I drew, along with a golden pocket in a 786 and a retest of a trend line. Of course, looking lower at supports, we do have this 39,922 area to be aware of, and then we do have this 35,500 area to be aware of. And really, if we do break through those, going to my 4-hour time frame right here, zooming out a little bit, we do have this monthly and golden pocket and a 786 that could be strong support at 28,700. So that is a kind of a last area of support. Looking at Ethereum now, not too much going on with Ethereum, just kind of mimicking Bitcoin. We do have a golden pocket at around 2,900 to be aware of, just a minor support. This could be confluence with Bitcoin if it comes down to that 39,500 area, so we could look for a long from that area. We are rejecting off of the current year point of control. This is a strong resistance at the moment, so we could bounce down and then bounce back up, possibly. Another zone of resistance is this 3,100 to 3,080 area, as we are getting a 786 and a daily and a naked daily point of control. If not, if we break above that, we do have 3,300 to be aware of. That is our next line of resistance. And really, if we do break above that, we do have this current year value area high, along with a 786 at around 3,400 roughly. Going back to the Bitcoin chart, looking at market cipher, see what's going on here. We do have a green dot on the daily printing, 12-hour. VWAP coming down, money flow getting kind of thick on the 12-hour. 2-day, it looks like money flow has been coming up over time, but nothing to be really too excited about. That VWAP is curving up a little bit. And 3-day, really the VWAP is kind of going sideways. Weekly, money flow getting thicker. VWAP is going sideways though, so if we do get a pump, maybe we could bring some money in. Right now, the weekly is just kind of dragging us down. And then the 2-week looks like it's just VWAP is kind of going sideways. And then if we go to our Coinbase chart and look at the monthly, VWAP is still going sideways. So it could be interesting how things really play out. Right now I am in a short-term short right now. Not totally confident, but we do see the momentum coming down and money flow coming down over time on the 12-minute, and the 24-minute kind of looks to be overbought. So could get a small correction, then bounce off from that. So that is really just my plan for today. And so that's really it for the video. And make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Plus, I'll leave a link to a Discord where I posted my short that I'm in right now. So feel free to check it out. Thanks. Bye.